Today we're going to look at a fun new way to interact with my live streams and the paintings that I create during my live streams using Streamloots cards. So what are Streamloots cards? Well, I can give you an example. I'm going to play a Streamloots card right now. Let's just pretend that I'm live streaming, and I've played a card called Angry Rock. So there's the Streamloots card.
Take cover. Aaron Rutten has unleashed the Angry Rock.
And here comes the Angry Rock. So you might remember Angry Rock from one of my YouTube videos called Digital Art for Beginners, and I'm comparing a mouse to a rock, and he gets kind of angry about that. So as you can see, when you play the Streamloots card, you have the ability to introduce something into my live stream while I'm live streaming. It changes my lights, it triggers an animation or an image or a sound effect or something fun. And it's not limited to angry rocks that fall out of the sky. You can actually interact with the painting that I'm creating during the live stream by influencing the color of it or the tools that I use to create the painting. So it's a really fun way to interact with me while I'm demonstrating my paintings. So let's dive into Streamloots so you can see how to get some Streamloots cards and how to play them. So the first thing you'll want to do is get some Streamloots packs. You'll want to go to my Streamloots page. You can go to aaronrutten.link/loots, or you can go to streamloots.com/aaronrutten. Once you're on this page, you can scroll down to browse the various cards that I've created. This may change as I create more cards. So you can see we have some kind of fun things like no laughing or no talking while I'm live streaming. You can zoom in on my artwork. You can change the hue of it. You can have me flip the canvas. We have some kind of silly voice mods that change the sound of my voice. We also have limitations on the tools that I can use. For example, I can only draw with a palette knife, or I can only draw on a small Intuos tablet. And then we also have some cards where I'll draw a 10-minute drawing for you during the live stream, or I can even dedicate a brush to you during the live stream. So now that you have an idea of the kind of cards that I offer, we can purchase some packs. And these packs are kind of like packs of playing cards or baseball cards. If you've ever collected cards or bought packs of cards, then they're packs and you don't know what's going to come in the pack. It's going to be a random collection of cards. Now, in order to purchase packs, you're going to need a Streamloots account. The Streamloots account is free. And then once you're ready to purchase packs, you can do that with this button here, or you can click on these buttons. Let's go ahead and click on Buy Packs. Then you can choose how many packs you want to buy. They're relatively inexpensive. One pack has several cards in it. So you could buy one pack just to try it out, or you could buy 5 or 10 packs if you want a lot of different cards. Once you've purchased some packs, you can open them here by clicking on Open Packs, and it'll show you all of the cards in those packs. One of my live streamer friends, Art by Galen, has some packs on his Streamloots page, and here's some of the cards that I own for him. And I can play any of these cards during his live stream to trigger the different effects of these cards. So for example, if I wanted to play a card right now, I could click on this button and this will play this card. This is showing me that I have one of these cards. I have 2 of these cards, and so on. Now if you want to get really deep into Streamloots, you can go into crafting mode. When you're in crafting mode, you can kind of trade in cards for points, and you can use those points to build other cards in the collection that you don't have. So for example, if I wanted to trade one of these no coffee for the next 10 minutes cards in, and I could destroy it for 20 craft points. Now if I wanted to use my points to create a card, if it were this card for example, I need 100 points in order to be able to create it. So there might be another card that I want here that I don't have yet that I want to create. So now you've got your packs and you want to play your cards, you click on the button to play your card, and let's say your card is Change the Mood Lighting. If the card should require your input, then you'll get a dialog box like this one here. The instructions say to request one color, so I'll go ahead and do that. I'll type in green and I'll click on Redeem. Now it's played our card, it's entered into my live stream, and now I can change my color here to green. And there you go, now I have a green background. So if you'd like to interact with my next live stream, pick up some Streamloots cards. I'll put a link for those down in the description of this video.